Hello. What the hell? I was just telling. Oh my god! I was just telling ಹಿಂದೆಯಿಂದ ಆರೋ ನೇತ್ರ ತರ ಕಾಣಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. Oh my god! See, I know you guys so well. Hi. सबका एक एक या दो दो पीस मिल सकता है. बर्फी का 2 पीस दे दो. काजू कतली का 2 पीस दे दो. और सबका और सब जो रबड़ी ये सब एक एक दे दो.
Here we are at India Sweet House, and today we are here to try all the mango special. This is
Jalbara.
Jalbara. This is Sandesh. This is Burfi. This is mango kaju katli, Shrikhand, Malai roll, Angur Rabdi. This is Ras Malai. So we'll just taste and let you know about each and everything. The reviews are here.
We'll give you ratings out of 5 for each of them. And
yes.
and you guys can decide if you want to have it or not. Alright?
Okay, here we go for
Mango
Ras
rasmalai.
Malai.
Okay, let me just taste.
Is the ras.
It's nice.
It's perfect. The sweetness is correct and spongy, fresh, and very mild essence of mango. It's nice.
Let's try the Angur Rabdi. She's fighting with me.
She always does.
This one is not tasting much like mango, to be honest. The taste is tasting like a regular Angur Rabdi. What do you think?
Yes.
Yeah, less of mango taste.
Less of mango flavor. It's more of normal Angur Rabdi. There is no much of mango flavor influence this. Just like normal.
Let's try the
Malai roll.
Can I try it first?
Yes.
Mango malai.
Mango Malai roll.
This has the twist in this is mango essence is nice, but there's a layer of malai in this, so which is giving a little bit richness and little extra sweetness too.
Oh, you say like comparatively the other two?
Yeah,
These
this
are
is
more
little
sweetness.
Because of the rabdi.
So
And
who
the
has
malai.
a sweet tooth will definitely like this.
Yes.
And not this three.
Let's try the Shrikhand, which is the classic mango
This
dessert.
actually tastes like that the other sweet of the sandwich, Bengali sweet.
Yeah,
Which is
yeah.
that?
Right.
That white
No,
one.
no, I know it
sandwich
has a
kind.
layer.
Yeah, it's exact sandwich. No, it's Bengali sweet. The sandwich sweet exactly tastes the same with that little mango flavor added.
The Shrikhand is very nice. Not too sweet. I was expecting it to be sweet. It's very nice. It's little yogurty and typical Shrikhand. It's nice.
Yeah,
Yeah.
perfect.
Next, can we try the Kaju Katli?
Kaju katli, yes.
Divide this one.
Yeah.
It's a miss, guys. I prefer regular Kaju Katli. I don't taste any mango in this. It tastes something else actually. I don't know what.
Just the color
Color.
is a mango and it's normal Kaju katli.
The burfi. I think it's the same feeling that I had for Kaju
So
Katli.
what is the base?
It's not. It's what is it? No. This is also
It's a milk, cuddle milk. Same. It's not exactly like burfi.
Koa.
It's koa. Yeah, cuddle milk. It's like a peda. It's mango peda, but not much of mango flavors are there. It's just like a doodh peda, koa taste. This comes
This is
Sandesh.
This is a Bengali special. Varsha, you try the first and give us your review, please.
How is it?
Dry. I was not. It's a little.
It has slight mild mango flavor, but yeah, it's not that good. I've never
I.
tasted sandesh before, so
Oh, is it okay?
Yeah, no idea about Sandesh. So,
But it is a
I-
little different. I think it's made with jaggery.
Jaggery?
Taste is coming.
it's like we add all this and of too much of sweets, and we are not able to actually feel the flavor
Flavor,
of
no?
this. And even the texture is a bit different, and it's like definitely dry.
Dry. Maybe it's supposed to be dry.
Dry,
We don't
yeah.
know. But if any
Anyone
Bengali
who has already,
watchers,
yeah, Bengali watchers, please let us know how Sandesh actually tastes.
yeah.
And this also has no mango flavor.
No.
no mango flavor. This one.
This is something which
Jal
none
bara.
of us have even heard of. This is called jalbora.
Jol bara.
Jolbara.
Jolbara.
I think this is also Bengali special.
Yeah.
This is something very different. I've never.
It's not the similar.
both taste similar, no?
No, this is something different.
This is like-
this has some sort of a.
This is like basil laddu.
The texture is
This
very
is like
dry.
besan laddu.
As you can see, the texture it's
Like
not
mango
moist.
basil.
Mango besan laddu.
You're tasting the mango? Very nice, huh? Okay.
Very mild.
Very mild, yeah.
It's like some flour inside.
Yeah, it's
Not
not. It
milk.
tastes like besan kind of
Laddu,
laddu.
yeah.
It's like that. It's nice.
It's nice.
Tasted the best.
The best for me, this tasted
This one.
the best.
This and even this. Yeah.
The kaju katli? No.
The burfi.
Barfi. Okay. For me, like in what I feel is the most of the milk-based flavors have been captured nicely with the mango flavors. All the dry sweets have not been able to take that flavor properly. But otherwise, overall the vibe of mango fest, mango season is nice to try out once in a year.
So how do you?
My most favorite is malai roll, mango malai roll, and least favorite is this I would give 4.5.
Oh, why is that 5.5? Not there.
Scope for improvement always. And my least favorite is the mango barfi.
Okay.
That I would give maybe 1.5 or 2.
My top comes this, and the least comes these two.
This. Yes, Varsha?
Mine is this because it has mild mango flavor and it's not too sweet. And least would be almonds.
All the dry.
All the dry
all the dry
items.
So this is puri and srikarne, and they've given complimentary chole. I think this is chole masala. So I'm going to try the srikarne.
It's not Srikarne, it's Srikarne.
Nice. Honestly, it's very nice. It's fresh, tasty, and very hot puris. So honestly, this is good. And I'll try it with this chole. Let's see. Really nice masala. Typical North Indian style of chole. Very tasty.
Too much of ilachi.
It is like that. Usually Srikarni is like that.
No, mango flavor में dominate मारते रहे इलायची. You can try.
I've had
Not my kind. Chole is nice. Chole is spicy, chatpata. I like with chole and srikarni. And when you take out the puri, see the puri thickness.
Not cooked properly.
It's not cooked properly. It feels dough. Very raw puri. Puri is not recommended. We are in Indian Sweet House, RBL Award branch. And the service is really bad.
Thank you guys. Bye bye.